Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a 1 1/4 inch curling iron or 1 inch curling iron to make these beautiful waves inspired by most of the actresses that you see on TV. Pretty much every single TV show you're going to find these big beautiful curls. What it's most known for is probably Kim Kardashian and Khloe Kardashian. They wear this curl in their hair pretty much every single day or up in a ponytail or something like that. So as you can see, my hair goes down pretty far, but depending on how long your hair is going to be how much more of this style it's going to look like. So don't fret if you have shorter hair, you can still do this. It's just not going to be, of course, with this length. So using a 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and then a few products I'm going to show you in a minute, and you'll be on your way to big, beautiful curls. Thanks, guys. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So for this style, I sprayed in it's a 10 leave-in treatment. This is going to be your heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner. And then I used a quarter size of the Paul Mitchell Super Sculpt. This is a quick styling glaze, so it's going to give me a little bit of memory, and it also dries really fast, so that helps out your time to cut down the time. You're going to need one of these clips to hold up your hair, and then I have these, what we call pin curl clips. They're these little baby clips, and you can purchase these at Sally's for a few dollars. You're going to need a handful of those, and then, of course, your brush. To start this style, start out with straight hair and part it into two sections going from your part and into the back. And then from the bottom of your hair, part off a smaller section and clip the top of your hair up to keep it out of the way. Go ahead and brush this out so you don't get any tangles in it. I'm going to split this section into another section using about this big of sections for my curl. Keeping the clip towards the front of my face, I'm going to insert my curling iron and roll away from my face, leaving the ends out just a little bit so that our curl doesn't fall out, and plus you don't want to heat up your ends too long because they're more fragile than the rest of your hair. Allow this to heat up to get warm, and you can test it with your fingers and make sure that it's not getting too hot. Then roll in your ends for a few seconds to get that to curl. Then I like to dump my curling iron over just so that it's easier. And you're going to want to hold your curl into this looped form. Don't let it go all the way down. And then you're going to want to wind it up just a little bit. And using this pin curl clip, I'm going to go all the way around it from the inside over the top on both sides because this is a bigger curl. And that's going to hold my curl while it is setting. And it's going to allow it to cool down so that I will get more curl out of this than just allowing my curl to fall. And then I'm going to continue this up, using my clip towards the front of my face and then rolling back away from my face, leaving my ends out for a little bit, and then setting it in a pin curl clip. If you have fringe, don't put this in a pin curl clip. I like this to be a little bit softer so it's not a big spring right near my face. Just allow that to sit just as I have it without a clip in it. Alright, so as you see, we have all of our hair put up into these crazy little pin curl clips. So now what we're going to do is allow these to air dry for about 5 minutes, just to where your curls have cooled down so they are not warm to the touch anymore. So allow that to sit. Now that we've let our curls sit for 5 minutes, we're going to start taking all of these pin curl clips out. Scrunch your hair to make sure that we don't have any more of those pin curl clips in. And then what we're going to do is take some sort of a cream gel. I'm using Paul Mitchell's Fast Form. And I'm going to put about that much on my hand, and then I'm going to rub it through my hands like lotion. And taking my hands, I'm going to start to finger comb through my curls. This is going to break the curls up, soften them, and give you those really big, beautiful Kim Kardashian, Model S curls that you see on pretty much every single television show. I'm going to get a little bit more of the Fast Form for my other side and rub that through my hair. Now, if we didn't do the pin curl clips, you wouldn't get as much of a curl or a hold. So if you're wanting a little bit less hold, you can forego the pin curl clips, but just remember that right now your hair may look like this, but in a little bit it's going to fall somewhat. So I like to use the pin curl clips to help my hair to hold and stay. And now we have these curls that are big waves. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.